Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing, and I also hope you had a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year. In this video, I am going to show you how to fry a very tasty fish for your tomato stew. So very tasty, very simple, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So enjoy. So I'm going to fry sea bass and salmon. So I'm going to season with ginger. I really love seasoning my fish with ginger. It gives it that perfect taste. Okay, so this is ginger powder, and I got this one from Ghana, so it's Ghanaian ginger powder. And then I am going to add some salt. Next, I am going to add some fish seasoning. So as you can see, very simple fish seasoning. You can also use adobo seasoning if you prefer, or if that's what you have. Okay, and this recipe works with any fish you like. Maybe you don't like sea bass, yeah, maybe you don't like salmon, maybe you prefer tilapia. Don't worry, you can use the same recipe. And that's all for the seasoning, you know, very simple. So now with my clean hand, I'm going to mix everything. Okay, you could also add some dried rosemary. I didn't have any this time, but if I did, I would have added it. Okay, so now that our fish is well seasoned, we are going to cover it with some cling film. Okay, and leave it to marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. So 2 hours is the minimum, unless you are ready to fry it, but I would advise you to let it marinate. Okay, so guys, this is me. I am back. This is after 2 hours of my fish marinating, and I am now ready to fry it. So I have heated fresh oil, and I'm going to add in a quarter of onion to give it even more taste. And then I'm going to add in some flour. So this is one of the secrets. If you want to have nice, crispy, and well fried fish, or even chicken sometimes, it is nice to add in flour. Okay, so now I'm going to fry the fish. And also, one thing I know is do not overload the oil with too many fish. Yeah, because when it's too much, it's difficult to turn the fish over. It can stick sometimes, so do not add too much. Just take your time and fry the fish batch by batch. Okay, and by the way, I am going to use this delicious fish for my fish stew, and I'll be posting the video for you very soon. And it also goes perfectly well with your Kenkey, your banku, you know, anything, your gari fufu, your semolina fufu, anything. So this is the fish now, and it is perfectly fried. This is exactly how I like it. Maybe you like it even more fried or a bit darker, yeah, but this is how I like it. So I am taking it out of the oil, and I'm going to let the excess oil drain on kitchen paper. Hey guys, so this is my fish. Can you see how amazing it looks like? And I am going to show you how it looks like on the inside. Look at this perfectly fried salmon. Yes, this is amazing, and it smells so good in the kitchen. Yeah, wow. So guys, this is the end of my recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. As usual, me, I like very quick, nice and easy recipes, and I hope you're going to try it. Please don't forget to leave me comments, to share my videos, okay? And most important, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. All right guys, so once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Sorry. Bye bye and take care everyone. Bye.